Hi guys, what's up? How are you? It has been decided that I'm going to take this time and just create content. I feel like I started with makeup videos. There's a part of me that still loves the transformation of putting makeup on and like watching people put makeup on. It's just so satisfying. And I couldn't get myself to completely delete it out of my content. For today's video, I ordered the Tati Beauty Palette. And this is all because of Noor. She just raved and raved and raved about it. I love how this palette is broken up by textures. We have matte, sequin, metallic, glitter, and I just love how you get all the shades that you need. It's very well thought out. I can't think of a time where I was like, ooh, I need eyeshadow, I need to go buy some palettes right now. I just really don't wear that much eyeshadow anymore, and that's just what my life has come to. This palette just looked like something I would get use out of in this no eyeshadow lifestyle of mine that I have embarked on. First things first. Wow, everything is just everywhere here. I'm gonna use Soft Oak as my base. This has just been my staple for a very long time. Okay, so the base is done. I'm gonna use the warmth of my fingers to press it in more, just to warm up the product. Get it ready for the eyeshadow. For my transition shade, I'm going in with this color right here. You know what? Pause. I'm gonna do this eye off camera and we're gonna do this eye together. I look like I got punched in the eye, but this video almost got canceled the moment I started doing this eye. This is like very dramatic. Like, this is me normally, and then this is me right now. So I decided to go with a halo-ish, bronzy gold kind of situation. I'm gonna do my eyeliner because I am currently missing a chunk of lashes again. I know my Trichotillomania video is constantly getting comments and I don't answer them. It's too triggering for me to go back to it, but for those asking if my lashes have grown back, yes, they grew back, but did they stay? No. This shade, place it by dabbing it into the skin on the inner corner and the outer corner. Feel free to just blend this out. Don't be afraid of this color. This is just like your transition shade, the foundation of your whole eyeshadow look. All right, I have to say, these shadows are very heavily pigmented, which I like, I have no problem with, but look at this. There's just so much fallout. If you have an issue with fallout, I'm just noting it for you. Next, I'm going to take Ritual, which is just this brown shade, blob it on. That looks like it works. And then on the outer corner. Why is my hand here? Do you see how this look almost got canceled? The bringing it together part is just not pleasant. It does not look cute. So you just soften it out. Now that I have my foundation kind of built up and we're gradually getting into the final stages, I want to go back and do the bottom, taking a flat brush. The first shade I used, I'm going to apply it in the outer corner, also in the inner corner. With a fluffy brush, I'm gonna blend each side out so it's diffused. Going in with the true brown in the outer corner and the inner corner. This is the shade I'm taking. And we're gonna place this right in the middle. Just tap it in. Doesn't have to look like it's blended. Take it up in the middle, right here as well. The trick to getting this diffused is just really tap, tap, tap. Jazz it up with glitter. This is kind of my first time working with glitter shadows. This glitter color here, it's so interesting how this works. And just press. I mean, this is gonna take you a few applications. Bringing back the telescopic carbon black I haven't used this mascara in probably 5 years. Next, I'm gonna put on my eyeliner. For liner, I'm using the NYC liquid liner. Shout out to my cousin. He bought me a whole bunch from Canada. Word on the street, if you live in Canada, I believe you could still get the NYC liquid liner. Wipe everything down. Let's apply the lashes. I'm gonna use the Lily Lashes Miami. These lashes are so annoying to put on, but they look really good. I just applied my glue. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. Just pop it on. All right, it's on and popping. Now we have everybody's lashes on. This is in the shade 4.5, precisely my brow pencil. And I really just like to build up my brow from the base and then brush it out as you go. I believe in a 5-minute brow these days because nobody has time. Moving on to the face. For my foundation, I'm gonna use the Air Flash by Dior in the color 300. This honestly is one of my favorite foundations for many reasons. I like that you could just spray it onto the brush. And the coverage is so great and smooth. So honestly, you really can't go wrong. I know it's kind of pricey. I actually don't know, maybe it's 60, which is kind of average now for foundation, but like it looks like it's just your skin, you know? And that's the kind of vibe I want to go for these days. First of all, I stopped wearing makeup on the daily just because I really don't feel like I need to, and I want to embrace my skin. If you know my skin history, I dealt with so much acne that it naturally, by default, I just became very insecure about not wearing makeup if I ever left the house without it. And in my adulthood, I started getting facials and like really taking care of my skin, and I didn't want to wear makeup after I would get the facial. So then I noticed the less makeup I wore, the better the results. It's good. Okay, for concealer, bringing out the OG, we got the MAC Pro Longwear NW25. Yeah, this is the part where I wish I didn't do my eyeshadow underneath my eyeball, but it's okay. We're gonna avoid it. With a brush, gently pat everything in. My T-zone is extremely oily, so I always use the Laura Mercier to set and help my makeup from moving around throughout the day. We're gonna dust off all the powder. I need to add some shimmer into this tear duct corner. I'm gonna go in and do all the detail work for my shadow, liven things back up, especially the under eye, since I just messed it all up because of the order of my powder. Okay, moving on to bronzer. This Kosas, it's called Contra Chroma. I could be totally butchering that. Let's bring some life back into this face. The remainder of the powder from under my eye, I'm gonna clean up. Wow, this actually turned out so good. Who would have thought? Quarantine makeup, yo, this is it. Next, I wanna add some highlight to the cheekbones. I'm going in with my Clatchet looking Fenty Beauty. Next, I'm gonna set everything with this Cover FX illuminating spray. Add some blush to the apples on my cheeks Too Faced Love Flush. I Will Always Love You. And go in with like a pure gloss. If you remember MAC lip gloss. All right, this look is complete. I hope you enjoyed watching this video because I actually enjoyed making it for you. I definitely don't regret this purchase. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of these colors. They're like staples. It's really annoying working with these types of shadows. They look beautiful, and I think that seeing it online and in videos is kind of deceiving, but it is definitely more convenient than having a glitter in a tub because there's less fallout, I feel like, with these shadow pans, but it's really annoying to get the shadow on your eyeball. If you enjoyed watching this video, share it with a friend, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.